Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 26, 2025, and we're diving into the fiscal fourth quarter earnings report of Anavex Life Sciences, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on innovative treatments for neurodegenerative and neurodevelopmental disorders. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Anavex Life Sciences is making significant strides in the biopharmaceutical sector, particularly with their lead drug candidate, blarcamesine, which is being developed for Alzheimer's and other CNS disorders. Their latest financial results and business updates provide a comprehensive view of their progress and future potential.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Anavex reported a net loss of $9.8 million for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, with an EPS of $9.11. How does this compare to the previous year, and what are the key factors driving these results?
In comparison to the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024, where the net loss was $11.6 million and EPS was 0.84, Anavex has shown a slight improvement. The reduction in research and development expenses from $11.6 million to $7.3 million this quarter has contributed to this improvement. However, general and administrative expenses increased slightly, which partially offset the gains from reduced R&D spending.
And what about their cash position?
Anavex maintains a strong cash position with $102.6 million in cash and equivalents as of September 30th, 2025. This provides them with a cash runway of over 3 years at their current utilization rate, which is crucial for a clinical stage company as they continue to invest in their pipeline.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline progress. John, Anavex has been active on the strategic front. Can you elaborate on their recent developments and pipeline progress?
Absolutely. Anavex's lead candidate, blarcamesine, continues to show clinically meaningful benefits in early-stage Alzheimer's patients, which is a significant validation of its therapeutic potential. Additionally, their Anavex 371 candidate has shown positive results in a phase 2 study for schizophrenia, achieving its primary safety endpoint and demonstrating encouraging trends in biomarkers.
And what about their regulatory journey?
Recently, Anavex received a negative trend vote from the CHMP regarding their marketing authorization application for blarcamesine. However, they plan to request a re-examination, showing their commitment to bringing this innovative treatment to market. This is a critical step as they navigate the regulatory landscape.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook for Anavex. What are the key takeaways here?
Anavex has successfully reduced their R&D expenses by $4.3 million compared to the previous year, which is a significant operational efficiency. This, combined with their strong cash position, provides a solid foundation for future growth. Looking ahead, they have several expected development milestones, including updates on their clinical trials for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Rett syndrome, as well as advancing Anavex 371 for schizophrenia-related disorders.
It sounds like they have a busy year ahead. How do you see their strategic initiatives impacting their long-term prospects?
Their strategic focus on expanding collaborative initiatives and strategic partnerships, along with their commitment to advancing their pipeline, positions Anavex well for long-term success. If they can navigate the regulatory challenges and continue to demonstrate clinical efficacy, they have the potential to make a significant impact in the CNS disorder treatment landscape.
Key takeaways. In summary, Anavex Life Sciences has reported a net loss of $9.8 million for Q4 2025, with an EPS of $9.11. Despite the financial loss, the company maintains a strong cash position and continues to make significant progress in its clinical pipeline, particularly with blarcamesine for early Alzheimer's. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Anavex is a company with promising potential, especially if they can successfully bring their lead candidates to market. Their focus on addressing unmet needs in neurodegenerative disorders and their strategic initiatives could offer substantial returns for investors willing to navigate the inherent risks of a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Anavex's performance and future prospects in the comments below.